Now see question number 9. The side AB of a parallelogram ABCD is produced to any point P. This is side AB of parallelogram ABCD and this is produced to point P. A line through A and parallel to CP meets CB produced at Q. See, a line through A, this AQ is parallel to this CP, okay, and then parallelogram PBQR is formed. PBQR is formed, okay. So we have to show that area of ABCD is equals to area of PBQR, okay. So first of all, what is given to us? It is given that AQ is parallel to CP, okay, and ABCD is a parallelogram. Also, PBQR is a parallelogram. Now, what we have to prove? Area of ABCD is equals to area of PBQR. Now, here we will do some construction. We have to join AC and PQ, okay. Now, see the triangles ACQ and APQ, okay. In these two triangles we can see that base is same and they are between same parallel lines. So we can write triangle ACQ and triangle APQ lie on same base AQ and between same parallels AQ parallel to CP, okay. Now if they lie on same base and between same parallels, then their area will be equal. So we can write hence area of ACQ is equals to area of APQ, okay. Now what we will do, we will subtract area of ABQ from both the sides, okay. So subtracting area of ABQ from both the sides, area of ACQ minus area of ABQ is equals to area of this APQ minus area of ABQ. Now see, where is ACQ? This is ACQ, okay. Now from this triangle, if we will remove ABQ, this, so what will be left? Only this part will be left. So this will be equal to area of ABC, okay. So in LHS what will come? Area of ABC. Then is equals to, what is next? APQ. APQ. Now from this, if we will subtract this ABQ, what is left? This part. So RHS will be equals to area of A, not A, it is BPQ. This part is left, okay. So area of ABC equals to area of BPQ. Now we can see that in parallelogram ABCD, this is a diagonal and we know that a diagonal divides the parallelogram into two triangles of equal area. That means area of these two triangles will be equal. We can also say that area of one triangle will be equal to half of area of parallelogram, okay. So instead of area of ABC, we can write half of area of ABCD parallelogram, okay. So instead of this we will write this, then equals to, here also PQ is a diagonal and it will also divide this parallelogram into triangles of equal areas. Now if these two triangles are equal in area, then one of the triangle will be equal to half of the area of parallelogram. So instead of this BPQ, we can write half of area of full parallelogram, that is PBQR. So instead of this we will write half of area of PBQR. Okay, and what will be the reason? Diagonals divide the parallelogram in two triangles of equal areas. Okay, now this half and half will be cancelled. What is left? Area of ABCD equals to area of PBQR, and this is what we have to prove. So we can write hence proved. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and stay connected with A1 study classes.